Hi, my name is Prashanth. I completed my mechanical engineering in the year 2011 and started my career working with Larsen and Toubro at Gujarat. After which, I did my management studies at XLRI, Jamshedpur. At XLRI, I was the gold medalist of my batch. I started my entrepreneurial journey by coming back to Coimbatore with Hulikal electric bicycles. At Hulikal, we are one of the first and India's premier leading electric cycles manufacturer. It's been 10 years into the journey with Hulikal, and today we are one of the first in the country to do motor manufacturing. We also manufacture the motor controllers, chargers, and even wire harnesses. And we are proud to say that we hold 4 Guinness World Records using our electric bicycles. The next part of my entrepreneurial journey began when I met Suraj and we saw a floor cleaning Roomba robot. We were instantly inspired from it and we thought, what if we could create something similar for the solar industry, where the dust settles on the glass surface of the solar panels and reduces the energy generation. Thus, in 2017, Solavio was started with just the two of us. In early 2018, we got selected by the DFA, the Dubai Future Accelerator Program, who accelerated and helped us in our early stages. We were then joined by Monica, our third co-founder and investor, who helped us set foot in the Middle East market, and there was no turning back thereon. We spent our time during the pandemic in product development and R&D, and we started our sales in early 2021. At Solavio, we manufacture robots that clean the solar panels. Our robots are completely modular and autonomous in operation, with no manual intervention whatsoever. We use an intelligent drive technology with a combination of cameras, AI, and distributed sensor technology to achieve over 99% of cleaning efficiency. Our robots are tested and certified by TUV with over 10,000 life cycles of testing. We also have obtained several module manufacturer approvals, certifying them to be safe for use over the 25 years of the life of the solar plant. Till date, we have sold over 250 plus robots, cleaning both ground mount and rooftop installations that cover over 200 megawatt of solar power plants. However, what we are most proud of is that we have saved over 25 million liters of water using our completely dry and waterless cleaning technology. We are proud to say that in 2023, Solavio was selected by the Equinor and Techstars Energy Accelerator Program at Norway, who are helping us to grow even faster. Today, at Solavio, we have filed over 4 international patents and continue to build robots that use machine learning and AI that add value to our customers. We have also incorporated our company Solavio Inc. in the US to fuel our scaling up plans in the United States. We also have several awards to our name. I have been a member of BNI Coimbatore for over 6 years now. BNI has always been instrumental in making meaningful and timely connections when required. Now we are excited to associate with Jubilant Tamil Nadu as it brings new avenues for export markets and with a more global outreach. Thank you.